do like this netting, don't they? That was me moaning you not to leave it out. You made them very happy. You ever going to tidy up though? Probably not, are you? Sorry. Oh. Must be a cat, hey? Lazing around. No. He's about as grumpy as you, he is. Dare you wake up from sleep. He's definitely going to have to go. It's just messy. But apparently we found a bug, so yeah. You can't get to spiders though, can you? Loving weather. Oh. Best layers.